guys, it's Tracy and I am back today to show you my trash. All of my empties, the things I've been hoarding for a couple months, and to let you know whether I would repurchase it or I would not repurchase it. So let's see, the first thing I have here is hand soap from Bath & Body Works, and this was the Vanilla Bean Noel. I would repurchase this. I liked it, liked the smell, and it was good. And then let's see, this is from Ulta Beauty. This is their smooth exfoliating body scrub with coconut and almond milk. And I would repurchase this as long as it was on sale because it's kind of expensive. I think they're like, if you just went to buy it alone, they're about $18. So I wouldn't pay $18, but if it was on sale, buy one, get one, or buy two, get two, that kind of thing, I would repurchase it. It's not like a super coarse kind of exfoliator. It's just like a medium, you know, it almost lathers up when you put it on your skin. So it's really nice. I did enjoy this and I would repurchase. And let's see, I have a candle here. It's the Marshmallow Fireside, and I will always repurchase this when I can find it. I'm in love with the scent. It smells like a fire and s'mores. It just smells so good. So good. So definitely would repurchase this. Like every year when they come out with them, I like buy them and like stock up. Next, I have this Schwarzkopf Gliss Ultra Moisture Anti-Breakage Serum Treatment. It's like in a pot kind of thing, and I wouldn't repurchase this because it takes so much to do my hair. Like I would get I think I got like 2, maybe 3 uses out of this. And I have another one in there that I had bought at the same time. So that'll probably end up in an empties at some point. But as far as now, I probably would not repurchase. I only purchased it because I had like a coupon and there was like a deal or whatever. So that's why I bought that. And then this is Herbal Essences Tousle Me Softly Finishing Cream. This was so old. I have had this for years, I want to say. And I just didn't like the way it felt in my hair now. I used to have super short hair, so it's almost gone, but I just decided not to keep using it. It's almost like I don't want to say glue, but it's real heavy. And like I said, when I had like pixie short hair, like super, super short hair. And when you have short hair, it was good. I had that whole flipping the back of the hair up, and I had the Kate Gosselin haircut. So when I had short hair, it worked pretty good. But with long, thick hair, it just made my hair feel kind of really heavy and almost like it had glue in it. So yeah, wouldn't repurchase that. I don't even know if they make that anymore, to be honest. But yeah. Next thing here, I've got 2 products from The Ordinary. This is the 100% cold pressed rosehip oil. I would definitely repurchase that. I was just on their website last night looking around for stuff. And then their hyaluronic acid plus B6. I love the consistency of this. I bought another hyaluronic acid from another brand. I ended up taking it back because I didn't like it because I like this one. So I'm going to be placing an order soon, and I would definitely repurchase both of those. And I have an empty e.l.f. This was the Illuminating Mist Set. I mostly use this on when I want to wet a brush, or if I'm not really going to go anywhere, I'll just use this to set my face. Like today, I'm not going anywhere, so I have another one. So I did already repurchase this. So definitely, this is a good one. It's good. I don't know that it makes your foundation or makeup last that much longer. I mean, it might. But it's nice, and it's like $3 or $4, so it's a good one to wet your brushes with. So I have that empty, and then I have Anastasia Brow Wiz empty, and I would not repurchase this because I have found drugstore ones that I like just as well or better. My favorite one is the ColourPop one. So this is $21. ColourPop is $5 or $6. And then the next one that I like is the LA Girl Shady Slim Yeah, Shady Slim eyebrow pencil. It's $4.99 at CVS. So I would not be repurchasing that. Even if they put it on sale for $10, which is when I got it, I wouldn't repurchase. Okay, next thing here, I have this Marrakesh Oil. It's Argan and Hemp Oil Therapy. And it's a serum, like, what is it? You know, just like a hair serum that's slippery, and you put it on to tame your flyaways, that kind of thing. These smell so good. Let me see. Yeah, they smell really good. And it's, I don't know, I haven't seen this brand anywhere. It's called this hair styling elixir. I just use it at the, you know, to tame the flyaways at the end. So I don't know where you can buy this because, again, I got it at Cosmoprof. But if you see it, it smells so good. And they also have a leave-in spray conditioner that smells really good. So yes, I definitely repurchased that. And then I have this little sample of the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product. And I really, really like this. And it's really nice. It's just to spray it in when you get out of the shower. So I think my daughter had given this to me. It smells good too. And when I asked her the other day, I'm like, hey, how much is that? It's a 10. She said that even at Cosmoprof, it's expensive for Cosmoprof. So I don't know if I will get this again or not, but I do really like it. I'll have to check the price and see. Let's see, I have a couple more hair things here. I have this Diva Curl, the Wave Whisperer. This is just a conditioner, and it did okay. I mean, it's just a conditioner. If I had a bottle of it, I would definitely use it. Now, their products are quite expensive as well. Even at Cosmoprof, they're expensive. But chances are I probably will have more of this at some point in time. So it worked nice. It says it's a weightless wave conditioner. So it worked good. It was nice. And then this, I got this in BoxyCharm. It's the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I wouldn't buy this. They say that this is $20. This lasted me two shampooings. So there's no way I'm going to pay that kind of money for a conditioner. And I didn't notice that it did anything great for my hair. Anything more than any other conditioner. But very, very much too expensive. So would not buy this. And let's see, I have this Matrix Exquisite Oil from the Biolage, and this is the Moringa Oil Micro Oil Shampoo. No parabens, sulfates, This, I had the companion of the conditioner, but I tend to go through conditioner more quickly than shampoo, so like I have one shampoo to 2 conditioners, and that will even out right there, because I need a lot to put in all this hair. So yes, I like this, and I will repurchase this. And let's see, I also have the Paul Mitchell Original Hair Repair Treatment, and I would repurchase this. It's a good one. You just put it in, and you can leave it in, and then rinse it out. I think you can like put a cap on your head or something like that, but I use this like once a week to give it like a good deep condition. So I did like this. Love that it has a pump on it, which is really nice. And let's see, AG Hair Care Mousse Gel. Love this stuff. Definitely have to get more of this. So this is for curly hair. So this is extra firm curl retention, and it doesn't feel crunchy on your hair, which is what I really like. And it holds the curls together. Like the curls on the back of, you know, like underneath of my hair are a lot more curly. So it holds them, and it's not like, you don't feel like your hair is like crunchy. So really like this. My daughter's the one that turned me on to this. So like this, would definitely repurchase. And then here, this is, what is this? Bain de Terre Jasmine 2-minute Intense Conditioner. And I like this. My daughter recommended this to me as well. And it's like a 2-minute, it says 2-minute intense conditioner. I probably leave it in longer than 2 minutes, but it's not very expensive. I think it was like $5 at Cosmoprof. So it's really nice. I guess the name of it is Bain de Terre. I don't see any other kind of like, you know, well-known name on here. But Bain de Terre 2-minute intense. I have all kinds of hair stuff in this video. I go through hair stuff really quick. Let's see, the Wave Whisperer one, oh, that's the same as that of the little pack. This is just a foil pack. And then that's from Diva Curl. This is Diva Curl, it's called That Good Super Cream. This is really nice. I put this in after I put like what's it called, like a serum, and then I put mousse, and then I might put this on top. So that's really good. It's kind of expensive too though. And then the shampoo is called Waves Ahead Low Poo Delight. This does not lather at all, so I wasn't a fan of it. And then I have the Diva Curl Build Up Buster, which is nice every once in a while to put in your hair so that you can like get all the gunk out. It takes it all out, and you know, and your hair feels really clean. And then I have this little chopstick. It was in a pot. I had never seen this before. I ended up getting it like at the dollar store, I think. So that was a little chopstick in the thing. That's gone. And then I have an EOS. That's all gone. I didn't feel like digging for the rest. So I've been trying to work through all of my lip balms, and I only have like a couple left. And I told my husband tonight, yay, I could buy lip balms again. So those. And then I have this Perfect Skin 2 toner. It was just a spray toner. I got this at, I think, my local discount store, and I liked it. I think I bought all that they had, which was only like 3 bottles of it, so I might have 1 bottle left. I just like spraying stuff on my face, you know, like it feels good. So I would buy that. And then I have this, what is this? Cuticle Repair Pomegranate Oil. It's just a little, I dug to get the rest of the stuff out of here. And I think I rubbed off the name of it. It just says Cuticle Conditioner. So use that all up. And then I have this e.l.f. lip exfoliator, and I just had a little teeny tiny bit left, and it went bad. The smell, like it smells like old oil. So there was just a little teeny bit left, and I did already repurchased. I think I got the coconut one this time. But I also make my own lip scrubs, which seem to do a better job than, you know, the e.l.f. ones. But I don't know, just for in the bathroom, I usually will put it on before I do my makeup, and then keep doing my lips together like that so that I can, you know, get a little grit going off of my lips. So those are all my empties for this round. I hope you enjoyed this video and seeing all my trash, and that you found it useful, I hope. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe so you can see my next videos. Hey! Mr. Clown at the door wants to get out. So that's going to do it for this video. I will catch you guys all in my next video. Bye!